through the city, just minding my business. One of the baddest bitches on my side, God is my witness. Yeah, I'm known as a boss from Cali to New York. Probably.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Shout out to y'all. We have some good energy. And, you know what I'm saying? Cancer. If you a Cancer sun, moon, rising sign, this is your tarot card reading. Collective, all signs. Hey, tap in. Tap in. And I don't know, maybe y'all feeling good right now? What's the energy? What's going on? What's happening? I have to start the video like that. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's tap in. Let's drop y'all drop the comments down below. Let us know what resonates, what doesn't. Make sure you take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If we are accurate, drop a comment. We appreciate the support. It helps the channel grow. And let us know where you're tuning in from. You know what I'm saying? We got people tuning in from all over the world. It's crazy. I'm glad to be back, back better doing this, guys. So we hope the audio, everything has been smooth. We've had to do a little bit of transitions here in the studio and a little bit of the setup. So everything here ready and good to go. I'm so happy to be back, guys. So Cancerians, let's get into it. Let's spill the tea for y'all. And what should y'all expect for this Aquarius season? What's your situation looking like right now? And I do see the Six of Pentacles, which is good. I see harmony. This is harmony. Harmonious. So what's going on? What's harmonious? So Six of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, something's harmonious. Maybe you're being of service. Maybe you're doing something that's of service in some way, shape, or form to where you can give back to the people. You're a little bit more flexible with your finances and your resources. I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. So let's see what the first card of the spread is for you. And we got, oh my goodness, the Four of Wands. This is why y'all energy was like this. That's why I had to start the video. That's why I had to start the video. That's why I had to start the video. This is why I had to start the video.
European with rallies in the sport. 30 kids in the bells of 20 pulling the earlobe. Play me, I empty this 40 off into your earlobe. It's victory or death and
I don't even know. This is why the energy like this. Four of Wands. We're starting the reading off really well, guys. Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles. This is a marriage card. This is a marriage card and a celebration card. So what is it that you are celebrating here? This is a very nurturing, like, home archetype here. Then we got the King of Wands in your current energy. Wow. Okay, Cancer. Okay, Cancer. I'm seeing nothing but fire and earth, bro. This is like the byproducts of manifestation. What's going on here? See a little bit of air coming through. We got some water coming through. Scorpio energy with the Seven of Cups. And we got some more air. Okay. This is like a healthy separation. Guys, this is like a healthy separation. This is very nice. Because I feel good energy here. I feel good energy. The outcome isn't the best card with that's nice to see. You know, especially I'm seeing the Five of Pentacles afterwards. That as card 8 would be the Five of Pentacles after the outcome card. And that lets me know you're going to be spending a whole lot of time in this uncomfortability here. And I'm telling you this, Cancer, as I am telling you this, do not jump ship. The fourth house, ruled by the moon, as soon as you hear the word uncomfortable, because Cancer is just comfortable. It's like Taurus, moon exalted in Taurus. Taurus, comfort. Guys, I know you guys like to be comfortable. There is a change here that is happening, though, based upon some sort of separation that you wanted. And the change is going to come towards your foundation and how you make money. It's your stability or your forms of understanding towards something, some situation. It could be a person, place, or thing. But the way you understand it now is changing mentally. Like, you're more practical. You know, you're trying not to be so emotional about it. And then there's going to be some change towards how you make money, or just your forms of how you stabilize yourself. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a different. I don't see any relocation. I don't see any travel. I just feel like it's going to be a change to your family archetype. Are you moving? Cancer, if you're moving, let me know in the comments. This could be like a move, a house move. Are you moving, like moving houses? I can see that. There's a change in your archetype. And yes, you're looking for more balance. You're looking to give back more substance to your family and your life, and what really fulfills you. There's like a move. It's like a separation for the better, for the good of your life here, Cancer. I like this. Like I'm it is, and it could be something that's super uncomfortable. The cards that I'm seeing right now can make this situation uncomfortable. But it is happening. I'm seeing strength at the bottom of the Six of Pentacles. Stay strong, Leo energy. Leo energy, stay strong right now. You need that strength, you need that courage if you want this change. You know what I think you kind of getting clear with what you want more so. And the first card, as I said, with the Four of Wands, there's a family here. You've reached the destination. There's something that you can celebrate. Maybe there's a proposal for some of you Cancers in the past, a proposal or a marriage, or making something known, a sense of status. Okay, yeah, this is my person. This is my thing. This is my family. Making that clear, making that known here. And I see that with the Four of Wands. It is in the past position, so it lets me know that this could happen in the near past. It happened in the near past, and this is how you are moving forward. You're moving forward with this celebration and this archetype of like marriage and family, like union, and you don't want to mess that up. I think you're just in a more serious position now to want to move forward with in a family like manner. You do have in your current energy the King of Wands, which is interesting. Because the king does show me like it's double fire here. So I see a lot of action based upon what a level of authority that you already have. So there's something in your life that you already in position of authority, whether you're doing something for work, there's some sort of action that you do that people know you for. And you want to be more known for that thing. You just want to solidify that position. You're just continuing, doubling, tripling down on those actions that people know you for, because that's what brings you the fulfillment. That's what you're passionate about, etc. So I like those things, kind of for you right now in your current energy, in the hidden influences is a Three of Pentacles. So I feel like there is a celebration. Like, okay, this is working for me. Like, whether it's your environment, your website, your social media presence, your content, like this is working for you, and you're kind of finding solstice and stability here when the Three of Pentacles. And I kind of like that for you, because for me, I feel like this is finally, I think you're finding your earning ability here as well, finances. And it could be, I definitely get a sense that this is something creative for you. But you wanna utilize this creative thing because you like taking that action. And you want to do it to the point where it can bring you the resources and bring you the finances. And this is in the hidden influences. So like you're doing it so that this can come to be, so that you are stable within your environment, you're stable within yourself, you're stable within your own body. This could be new actions that have to do with health as well, health orientation, Cancer. Taking the actions are good for you and strengthen who you are, your body, the vessel, right? And we're going to be seeing that level of stability, that level of confidence within your environment, within how you carry yourself, right, within the body. Green, that Virgo energy can be a direct correspondence to your health, your nervous system, and things of that nature. Obstacles to overcome, Cancer. I do see the Five of Wands right now, which is interesting. Which would, like I said, there's a lot of action right now, but the action that you're taking may be conflicting with like someone else's action, or not even that, but because this is one, the action you're taking could be conflicting with like coworkers in your work environment. So the workplace that you work at, you could work at like a 9 to 5 and you can have like a creative thing, but your workplace, the place where you go work or whatever, pay your bills or whatever, the actions that you take as like an entrepreneur, like your creative action, is kind of conflicting with these coworkers, with these people, right? With the foundation that these people are there. They may feel like you're you're trying to leave, or you're too good to be there. You know what I'm saying? Or you're better than them and stuff like that. So be mindful. Be mindful of that energy. That's a little bit of something to overcome. Try not to get too emotional and allow that to be too conflicting. It may just be like if it's not that, like outside of yourself, this could just be your own emotions being conflicting and getting past that, because you're not used to taking certain actions, so you're uncomfortable with taking those actions right now, but you know they're important to do, so you develop the stability within your environment and surroundings, right? So you do have that solid home life. So because you've been taking more action than necessary in a different kind of way, it may seem mad uncomfortable right now, and that's just something that you gotta push through and get comfortable with as you go, as time passes by, as you get less and less conflicted emotionally. By taking these actions, it'll reinforce certain the mindset and beliefs that you have towards the actions that you're doing, and the environment that you're trying to curate, right? It's going to reinforce these beliefs as you continue taking those actions. So it's going to get more and more comfortable, less and less uncomfortable, right? And I think that's how you overcome this Five of Wands in your obstacles to overcome. In position 5, we have others' perspectives. I see the Page of Swords. This may be someone young. You may have a young person, maybe a child or a friend, a nephew, a brother, a sibling, a sister, possibly, that may be bringing you information, that may give you guidance on how to navigate this thing. Maybe they're teaching you on how to gravitate this online world or your environment, how to use your creative ability to bring you stability, right? How to like monetize your art type stuff. And they can have more skills and insights. I feel like this blue could be a water sign or like an Aquarius. I'm hearing information. Yes, higher knowledge, higher information. So either you have someone coming in for you to provide that higher information to kind of help you, bring you that push through intellectual property, or you're the one that's people see is emotionally tapping into higher knowledge and new knowledge that's leading you to do these to reinforce these actions, because you're understanding the more you know, the more you can do. The more you know, the more you grow. So it's like, even though it's uncomfortable, you're forcing yourself to learn that the things that make you uncomfortable, right? Because this is conflicting and uncomfortable, you're like, you know what? All right, I get this is uncomfortable, but let me do the research to make myself as comfortable as I can be as I move forward into this new thing. And I like that for you. So you move forward. You move forward into this Seven of Cups energy, the Scorpio energy, which is very interesting because it's in the position of your best path to walk down, which lets me know there's a lot of different like cups of fulfillment here. Cancer, you know, you're a water sign, and this is depth. This is deep waters. You could be connected with a Scorpio. If you're not connected with a Scorpio and you've been considering connecting with a Scorpio, this could be your confirmation to connect with a Scorpio. This is letting me know because it's your best path to walk down in position 6. This is what's on your mind. You're thinking about it and feeling it. That's why it's on your mind. So if a Scorpio is on your mind, and they may have like information in some way, shape, or form, then that can be something to a path to walk down in terms of fulfillment. But this shows a lot of depth. This is Scorpio energy because it shows depth. You know, you may have a connection here. This connection may be different than this connection. This connection has some sort of fulfillment here. This depth feels this thing. This thing feels this, and you kind of understand which cup brings what levels of fulfillment, right? So that's an important thing for you to kind of understand. And I think you have to go down that mind, that thought form, and pay attention to where you want to be fulfilled and where you don't, and where you need to leave, what you need to leave behind, because you can't chase all of these cups. You have to find one cup that truly fulfills you and go down with it, right? Like especially in the beginning. So keep that in mind, because you can't chase all these things at once. I know these things can seem very intriguing, but find that one thing that fulfills you, that you know you want to do. and hone in on that. That will create mastery. And I think that's what this may be. This may be separation from people, places, and things that you know don't serve you. This is separation from these things. You're six. You got to pay attention to this so that your outcome card can be this, the Three of Swords, right? Separation and cleaning up your environment. That's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing like spring cleaning. I mean, we're not near spring just yet, but I'm hearing spring cleaning. So this is like cleaning up your environment, cleaning up, letting go of the emotions that don't serve you. Like, I think based upon information and communication, you can show up for yourself and say, listen, you don't help me for this because of this. You're not good for me because of this. And you can be clear with that. And when you're clear with why, certain people, places, and things shouldn't be in your life, that's when you're really being honest with yourself. And despite what may happen with these people being uncomfortable with the Five of Wands, like, what, this person really said that, they may get emotional. It is what it is. You have to separate, and you're doing what's best for you. And you're starting to realize that right now. That separation with the Three of Swords is important, because you're realizing what you need to do for you. So, Cancer, I like this. I like this for you. It's a good energy. It's a little bit of a longer reading, but I hope this provided some clarity for you. Tap in. Stay in the loop. As always, I'm watching from afar, and I'm rooting for you. If anyone would like to get on, we don't do personal readings, but if anyone would like to get on our private readings client list, we do have a limited number of slots of people that we bring on board every year. You guys can apply down below, and I can walk you through that and send over some more information direct to your email. It's free to apply to our client list, and I'll reach out with further information. Thank you. Watch from afar. I'm rooting for you. Namo Himalaya, MC 333. We outie.